Next up is logical operations. And so this is and, or, and bang. Okay, so, or the not operator. So the and operator is 2 ampersands. The or operator is 2 vertical lines. Do not use single vertical line or the single ampersand. Those mean something different in JavaScript. The single ampersand is for bitwise operations, and the single one of those, I don't think is bitwise operation. Bitwise operators in JavaScript. And so like you're manipulating the actual bits. Oh, it is. Yeah. So this is an and statement just for the bits themselves. And so you're actually changing the zeros and ones of what the numerical value is equal to. So if you say x equals 5 and 1, the logical operator will be 1 because based on that. So don't get confused. Bitwise operations can be kind of confusing. Don't use a single one. Use 2. You will get into weird problems if you use single ones because you're gonna be like, why is 7 and what? Like, that doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. So yeah, use 2. And then you have the not operator. So and or are polar opposites. So if you have a bunch of conditions inside of an and statement, all of them have to be true in order for the entire statement to be true. Okay, so if the stoplight is green and the pedestrians are 0, it is true. Else it'll be stop. So if stoplight is yellow, then it will be stop. Okay. And then with or, all of them have to be false in order for the entire condition to be false. So if the day is Saturday or the day is Sunday, then it will be the weekend. Else it'll be this. So if the day is actually Monday, then neither of these conditions will be true. So both of them are false, meaning the entire condition is false. And then with the bang operation, the not operation basically just inverts whatever is in front of it. So if you say not true, it'll be false. If you say not false, it'll be true. So they assign that to be that, and say not excited, it'll be prints false. Not sleepy will be prints true. So, that said, excuse me, it said sleepy and triggered something in me. So that said, because the and operation and the or operation are polar opposites of each other, you can use the bang operation to convert ors into ands and ands into ors. Okay. So if you do a not over an entire or statement, pretty sure that's an and statement. And if you do a not over an entire or statement, that'll be an and statement. Backwards. I am fairly certain that's the case, but or maybe you have to do a not on each of them. I don't remember what it is. But if you're inside of an and statement and you keep doing ors, or you keep doing bangs inside of there, you may consider switching to an or statement, and vice versa. If you're inside of an or statement, you do a bunch of bangs inside of there, you may have to switch to an and statement to make it a little bit more simple and easier to read. So that is just helpful when you are working with ands and ors. So in main.js, there are 2, mood level and tiredness level. And so basically we have it here. If mood equals sleepy and tiredness level is greater than 8, you have to use the code blocks. Otherwise, Code Academy doesn't like you. Console.log time to sleep. And then you do else. Best practice, you do 1 space. And then console.log not bedtime yet. Okay. And then run. Okay. Not bedtime yeet. There you go. And so you can mess with the ands, the ors, and all of that stuff to understand like what's going on here. If I do or right here, it'll enter into time to sleep because mood is sleepy, but the tiredness level is not. So if both of them are false, if I say, if I do that, it'll be time to sleep. But if I change this, it'll be not bedtime yet because both of them are false inside of an or statement. So sleepy. So yeah, welcome to ands, ors, and nots. Logical operators. I'll see you in the next video.